Click on the link below to get price. The EUYBIKE Folding Electric Bike is an impressive fusion of convenience, performance, and innovative design, making it an excellent choice for adults seeking an efficient means of transportation. With a robust 48V 20AH battery, this bike promises an exhilarating ride, reaching speeds of up to 30 miles per hour. The power provided by the battery translates into a reliable range, allowing riders to travel significant distances without the constant worry of recharging. One of the standout features of the EUYBIKE is its folding mechanism. The ability to fold the bike easily makes it ideal for urban commuters or those with limited storage space. Whether you're taking it on public transport or storing it in a small apartment, the compact design is a significant boon. The bike is surprisingly lightweight given its sturdy construction, making it manageable to carry despite its durability. Riding the EUYBIKE is a delightful experience. The throttle response is quick, allowing for smooth acceleration without any hesitation. The bike's adjustable seat and handlebars ensure a comfortable fit for various riders. The 20-inch wheels provide a good balance between stability and agility, enhancing handling in tight urban spaces. Additionally, the front suspension helps absorb shocks, making the ride smooth even on bumpy paths. Safety is a priority with this design, featuring front and rear disc brakes that deliver reliable stopping power. The built-in LED lights enhance visibility, ensuring that riders are seen during low-light conditions. While the bike's maximum speed is impressive, its performance is equally commendable in terms of energy efficiency. The regenerative braking system helps extend battery life, making every ride more economical. In conclusion, the EUYBIKE Folding Electric Bike for adults strikes a perfect balance between performance, portability, and safety. It's a fantastic investment for anyone looking to navigate urban environments with ease while enjoying the thrill of electric biking.